If you want to share someone else's Instagram story to your own, then follow the steps in this video because I'll show you 4 different ways of reposting or resharing other people's stories. But before we start with the video, if you're new to this channel, then please make sure to subscribe to App Tutor for more similar tutorials like this one. So let's start with the first and easiest method, which is reposting a story when someone has tagged you in it. When someone tags you in their story, you'll get a notification in your direct messages. So open up your Instagram DMs by tapping the messenger icon. Now you're going to look for the conversation with the person who tagged you. You'll see their message that says something like mentioned you in their story, or you'll see a preview of the story itself. Tap on that conversation to open it, and you'll see the story right there in your messages. Below the story, you should see a button that says Add this to your story. Simply tap on that button, and the story will open up in your story editor where you can resize it, move it around, add your own text, stickers, music, or anything else you want before posting it. But what if you want to repost a story where you haven't been tagged? Let me show you how. Open a random story, just as an example, and I'll show you how to repost it to my own story. You will be able to see a little airplane icon located at the bottom right corner. I'm going to click on this, which will then open a sharing menu, and you can select a friend from this list and send him or send her this story. But if you need to repost this to your own story, then you're going to find and click on this little Add to Story button that should be located at the left side. If you don't see this button, then don't worry, because I'll show you a little trick on how you can repost any story from Instagram. But if you do see this button, then tap on it, and the story will open in your story editor where you can add your own music, stickers, text, and all those other things, and you can just repost it. But what if you don't see that little Add to Story button? I've opened a different story, and if I try to use the method you saw before, it won't work. So follow my steps carefully. If the story which you want to repost is a simple photo, then just take a screenshot, then crop this image a little bit, and then save this to your photo gallery. But before you repost this story, don't forget to mention the person whose story you are reposting. Now, what if the story you want to repost is a video instead of a photo? Screenshots won't work for videos, so you'll need to use a different method. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to use your phone's built-in screen recording feature. On iPhone, you can swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center, and then tap the screen recording button. On Android, swipe down from the top of your screen and look for the screen recorder icon. Once you start the screen recording, go back to Instagram and play the video story from the beginning. Let it play all the way through, then stop your screen recording. Now you'll have that video saved to your phone's camera roll or gallery. Just like with photos, make sure to trim the recording to remove any extra parts at the beginning or end. And again, don't forget to give credit to the original poster when you share it to your story by tagging them or mentioning their username.